In a town wrapped in red, white, and blue, folks getting restless, decisions so few. As the ballots roll in and the debates drone, just remember who's still on the throne. Politicians promise and people cling tight to hopes and dreams in the fading twilight. But in the silence of our heart's own tone, Jesus Christ remains on the throne. No matter who wins, no matter who falls, through the rise and the spin, He hears all our calls. From the highest office to the farmer's own, Jesus Christ is still on the throne. Campaigns come with might and luster, words of gold, mistrust they muster. Through the din and noise, God's love is known, eternal and bright on the throne. In the humble church where the faithful meet, in every prayer each tear is sweet. Above all letters and creeds overthrown, Jesus reigns on His mighty throne. When division runs deep and arguments swell, truth and peace forever dwell. In the King of Kings our faith is grown, Jesus Christ remains on the throne. Who wins, no matter who falls, through the rise and the spin, He hears all our calls from the higher stalls. From the highest office to the farmer's own, Jesus Christ is still on the throne. No matter who wins, no matter who falls, through the rise and the spin, He hears all our calls. From the highest office to the farmer's own, Jesus Christ is still on the throne. Campaigns come with might and luster, words of gold, mistrust they muster. Through the din and noise, God's love is known, eternal and bright on the throne, and bright on the throne. Jesus Christ is still on the throne. Campaigns come with might and luster, words of gold, mistrust they muster. Through the din and noise, God's love is known, eternal and bright on the throne. In the humble church where the faithful meet, in every prayer each tear is sweet. Above all letters and creeds overthrown, Jesus reigns on His mighty throne. When division runs deep and arguments swell, truth and peace forever dwell. In the King of Kings our faith is grown, for eternity He'll rule alone.